one of Paddington's true warehouse conversions. Welcome to the old tobacco factory. Really proud to be presenting this one to market. 2 bedrooms and 118 square metres with an 18 square metre car space. Let's have a look on through.
An iconic building. What a wonderful opportunity to purchase a top floor apartment with a north-facing aspect, high ceilings and house-like proportions. A stone's throw away from Paddington Five Ways, Rushcutters Bay Park and Darlinghurst.
A tightly held building. The old tobacco factory is so beautiful, rich with history.
I'm Jackson Snell and we look forward to seeing you at one of our upcoming inspections.
And I'm Dean Jarman from Ray White at the Entertainment Quarter. We'll see you very shortly.